Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to answer when an interviewer asks you what are your personal interests and hobbies. This is an outliner among the interview questions, a question about your personal life that requires you to give a professional answer. They can ask you questions like, what are your interests? Or tell us a little about of your favorite leisure time activities. Though this question might seem like an inoffensive talking point designed to put you at ease by making the interview less formal, it often has a deeper meaning. By asking this question, interviewers want to gauge how interesting you are as a person. Some interviewers want to evaluate your ability to cope between the personal and the professional while still remaining appropriate and formal to a degree. While preparing this answer, you have to structure your answer like Step 1. List down all the personal interests you have that are constructive to a small or a larger extent. If you really like eating burgers, you might not want to put that in your list. However, if you are an accomplished painter and have created, for example, 69 pieces of art, you might want to put that in because it shows perseverance and dedication to a rare skill that not many people possesses, but one that brings happiness to many. Step 2. Once you have your shortlisted, you can choose the 1 to 3 interests that you will speak about in your interview according to the following scheme. Look at this. First, look for your interest or the hobbies that you have been involved with for the longest time. This shows the interviewer that you keep going. Next, look for the interest in your list that have bought you awards. Example, if you play squash at a local level and you have won a few trophies, that would make the cut. Finally, look for the hobbies that are differentiated and that not too many other candidates are likely to have. After applying all this triple filter to your list of constructive personal interests or hobbies, you will have a ranking. So just pick the top from 1 to 3 from the ranked list. Make sure that you do not disclose very personal interest. Like I said earlier, this is a professional question. Even if the hobbies you talk about are not the ones you are most interested in, but rather at the second tier in terms of meaning to you, that's completely okay. As long as they are appropriate for an interview. Never make up something that you are not interested in. This is how you can simply answer this question. Now, please pay attention. There is a link in the description below of an ebook which contains top most asked HR interview questions with their winning answers. Go and grab this ebook. Trust me, it will really help you in all types of HR interviews. Also, write down your answer to this question in the comment section below and learn from others as well. Do like, share and comment, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. And don't forget to press the bell notification. All the best for your interviews. Thanks for watching.